Hey there, how's everyone doing today? Today we're unboxing another G-Shock Move. This time we are unboxing the model GBDH1000-1A7. Now this is the model that they show off most of the time in their various ads and on social media. And you can see the box there that the new G-Shock Moves come in. Very cool. So the watch was designed to be comfortable in wearing it. You can see all the little holes here. Now that is to get a precision fit on your wrist, and the holes also help with ventilation because your wrists tend to get sweaty when you're working out. And also it's got the special curved back there with those extra pieces that help curve to your wrist and just feel more comfortable. Everything with this watch has been designed to be optimal for fitness training, which is really neat. How much dedication that they put into it. What's great also with some of these fitness watches is they're not, you can't bump them up that much, or they're not that great when it comes to water resistance. No, this has 200-meter water resistant, and of course being a G-Shock can withstand a lot of abuse. Everything that they did with the watch, including the buttons have been strategically designed and have special features so they're easy to push while working out. So the whole watch was made from the ground up basically to help in your training and in your fitness. It's also very easy to use. The functionality of the watch, you don't need to read a long manual to figure it out. It's pretty cool. I'll run through some of the modes here in a second and you can see all it does. So what does this watch do? It's got a heart rate monitor, a step tracker, an altimeter, a barometer, a compass, a thermometer, and it has a GPS route mapping. The watch connects to your phone through a G-Shock Move app, which helps you map your training and helps you with your training in general. It also is another way you can set different functions on your watch through the app. And here you can see me go through the different modes. It's got stopwatches. There's the compass, your activity, anything to help you train. For easy viewing, the dial uses memory and pixel LCD, so that way the screen's very clear and easy to read. Here you can see the buttons I was telling you about before. The buttons in the system are incredibly easy to use, easy to push. And if you have it connected through your Bluetooth, you'll get notifications by vibration to tell you if you get a message. But if you're training, it will not give you those notifications. It focuses on your workout. And here we can see the two main models of the G-Shock Move on display. The yellow-white one we've been talking about and the all-black model. Basically everything's exactly the same. The only difference is the coloring on each of the models. The models are designed, it seems like after the Rangeman, that watch was a big success, but this one is a lot smaller in case size. The watch is solar powered, so that's how it charges itself. It also comes with an emergency charger where you can plug it into the back if you need a little more juice. My wrist is a 7.5-inch wrist, and you can see it there. It fits nicely. And here you can see it at the dark. Thanks for taking the time to check out the video. Have a good one.